We need that. She's got to start with that. I'm letting you start because my brain's fried. All right. Welcome back to... Wait, I should pause a little. Welcome back to Vintage Vagabond Vends. My name is Susan, and today I have...
Mama Sue.
What are you doing today? She's going to be doing unboxing, and I'm going to be behind the camera.
I'm going behind the camera.
And unboxing today. So, I think this is our last one from our great deal. $69 with shipping. From 888 lots. I think it is. It might have one more. I don't know, though. I think this is the last box. But we paid $69. That does include shipping from 888 lots. Again, if you haven't purchased from them the first time you purchase, they will do 50% off of your first lot purchase, and then you can negotiate the pricing afterwards, which is really awesome. So we're going to go ahead and get this box opened. I'm a master cutter. Master cutter. All right, we got a box full. All right, please do not bend. Wall decor metal plate. I hope it's some sunflowers. Oh, can I open this? It looks like it's sealed.
Oh, you can open it.
Well, I'll let you open it. Taz Pro 1.96 come with one screw. That's what it says. Come with one screw. Come with one screw before you open me. My oh my. Oh. That is what this thing says. I don't know if I don't know what's inside of it, though. It comes with a screw. Well, you got to come with one screw. Oh, my God. I didn't even think. It just hit me.
Wow.
Oh, my gosh. What is this? It comes in this pretty little box. And it is a whatever the heck.
Bolt and a screw.
Come with one screw. Okay. I don't even get that. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, I can see myself. Hocus Pocus. Who loves this movie? This is such a great movie.
Maybe it is a gag gift.
A gag gift? Come with one screw?
I don't know.
Well, here, wrap it up. I'll give it to... I'm just kidding. So we have that Hocus Pocus. Oh, what is this? Oh, here we go. We got sunflowers and little ghosts. Color your own ornament. Autumn. Apple cider, hay rides, pumpkins, falling leaves. Well, that doesn't work right now for me. But I don't know. I might just have to keep that for myself because it'll match my decor with my sunflowers as I'm redoing my kitchen. We have the little balloon or weights. I don't know how it was folded. It was somehow folded. We got some furry stuff. Whatever this, we had some of this fur stuff. The rug. It's a furry rug. It is a black furry rug. Black furry rug. Oh, this is cool. Skull. Set of 4 placemats. Look at that. Pretty cool. That is, yep. We got some little penguin lights. Hope I got him upside down. LED bulbs on bendable wire. Deep Dream sofa slipcover, chenille, premium couch, love seat, something, I don't know. It is a sofa cover, gray. Not sure on the size. Oh, I love these things. Oh, white sage and purple basil blend. Wax vessel. What we got? We got one of these. This is Polly is rude. He is rude. He's funny. Yes, he is. We got some different phrases. I unfortunately cannot play him because he is really obnoxious.
I put the sign up for him
Where?
so we could see what he says.
Oh, you want to see what he says? He is Polly the insulting parent. Parents. Parrots. All right. I'm good with Polly. He can have that little tin. All right. What do we got here now? Cita France. Something France. Japanese. I don't understand their verbiage on this sometimes. What is this? Open here. Is it a candle?
I don't know.
It smells like a candle. It is a candle. We got a candle. Japanese quince. Smells good. Oh, that's for its little tassel. Oh, gosh. All right. Here, Mama Sue.
Yeah.
I'm breaking the law. Breaking the box. We got reserve table.
Very different smell.
Yeah, it's a unique smell. Homey Feel bamboo charcoal bags. So it's a 3-pack. Looks like we got 2 of those for that homey feel. Oh, we got a... Oh, didn't somebody want one of these soy candles? I can't remember. Natura. It is a soy candle. Natura Collection Essential Oils Organic. I don't know what scent that is. That's what I thought it was. Patchouli. I can never pronounce that. Utopia Home Velvet Skirt Hanger Black. Premium quality heavy duty. Are these hangers? They are hangers. 12-pack of velvet clip hangers. Utopia Home. So those are nice. Non-slip and space saver. Oh, we got a really sealed up box. This is a set. Do not separate. I have no idea what this is though. Hosley, oh, it looks like candles. Something candles. Oh, these are really pretty though. I'm gonna have to pull them out. So they're like this. I'll do one of them. Just so you all can see. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you guys like so far out of this box. Didn't like. So you can see it is. I'll just take it out of this too. These are really pretty. So you can set the candle, they're candle holders, or you can put whatever, something decorative up there. So very pretty. So there's a set of 3 of those in there, all black. heating throw. It's a big box. Let's see, is it a heated blanket? Oh. Yep, it is a heated blanket. It's brown. Oh my God, that's so soft. So soft. It's got like little reindeer all over it. So it is a micro plush heated throw. You can see it's got the little plug in here. That is awesome. I don't know the size on that, but I'm sure it's like 50 by 60, whatever, standard. And another box in a box. What is this?
It's the cow.
Moo. All right. So what is this? We got, oh, it's like a little desk organizer. So you have like your little pens. It's like a bronze color. Oh, you could use this. So it's got all the different little organizers in there. There's a ton of them. I'm not going to pull them out. It looks like there's 5 different ones in there. So home and office. Let's get organizing with the insulting parrot, Polly the parrot. So that is it out of that box. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining us on this. Let me know in the comments below what you liked or maybe didn't like. As always, if there's anything you guys see, definitely email us, vintagevagabondvends@gmail.com. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button on your way out. We really appreciate you guys joining us and appreciate all your support. And I hope to see you all next time. Have a great day.